Hi home buyers, we're here at La Casa Residences. So I'll show you around an actual studio unit. This is located on the 16th floor. It's unit F and the 26 square meters. So tara, pasukin natin. So pagpasok nyo sa unit, no, you have the intercom. So sa intercom, if you have Grab Food or Food Panda or you need to talk to the security guard or reception, pwede nyo silang i-contact dito through this intercom. And then here naman, so this is our kitchen area, no? So you have these hanging cabinets, and then you have the lower cabinets and a granite countertop. And then ito yung provision for the refrigerator. So pagpasok nyo dito sa area na to, pwede nyo dito ilagay yung inyong two-seater dining table. And then here naman sa living and bedroom area, you can put a queen-size bed. And then dito yung ating TV. Pwede nyo i-wall mount yung TV nyo dito. And then, pwede dito yung console nyo or yung office table para makapag-laptop kayo sa area na to. And then here, you have your windows. So, in this side, ang view nyo dito ay yung ating park, open spaces, and then commercial area, and then you have the view of yung ating water park and yung ating sports area, wherein meron tayong basketball court, pickleball, or tennis court. And then, on this side, papunta naman tayo dito sa ating bathroom, no? So, first, we have yung ating modular cabinet. So, this one. Yan. And then, here naman, yung ating shower area. So, as you can see, kompleto na yung ating shower area, no? So, we have this rainwater shower, and then yung handheld shower natin, meron din. And then, we have yung ating toilet area, and then we have the mirror and the sink. And then, yung provision ng ating water heater, dito nyo siya sa ilalim ilalagay. Okay? So, and then, dito naman sa likod ng ating pinto is yung ating washing machine. Yeah. And then, in this side, no, so ito yung ating studio unit. And then, yeah, so here, yung provision ng ating aircon. So you can buy a 1.5 to 2 horsepower aircon. I think kaya na dito sa studio unit yung aircon na yon. So, home buyers, ano pang inaantay nyo? So, this is around 6.9 to 7.9 million. So, it depends kung ano yung gusto nyong unit. So, we have units na without balcony, with balcony, and with studio garden balcony. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng plants kasi mas malaki yung balcony na yon. So, that's around 7.9 to 8 million. So, the reservation fee is around 50,000 pesos. And for a 2-bedroom unit, the reservation fee is 70,000 pesos. So, limited units na lang dito sa La Casa Residences. This is around 5% down payment. Makaka-move in na kayo. That's roughly around 400,000 plus the taxes and fees. And then around 19,000 to 25,000 per month payable in 39 months. And then the balance on the 40th month, you can pay through cash or bank financing. We can also help you for the bank financing. So, the requirements that we need is just 2 valid IDs and the post-dated check. So, ano pang inaantay nyo, home buyers, no? Reserved na for La Casa Residences. My number is below, so you can contact me for a private viewing here at Maple Grove Township. So, yeah, invest na. Thank you.